Your doors are more than entry points. They are one of the most important barriers protecting your home and family. Over time, wear and tear, outdated materials, and aging hardware can weaken that protection. If your doors no longer close tightly, show visible damage, or rely on older locking systems, your home's security may be compromised. For homeowners in Austin, investing in replacement doors is a practical and effective way to strengthen home security while also improving comfort and curb appeal. Stronger, more durable materials. Older doors, especially those made from aging wood or hollow core materials, may weaken over time. Modern replacement doors available in Austin are built using reinforced materials such as solid core fiberglass or steel. These materials are designed to resist warping, cracking, and forced entry attempts. A stronger door slab provides a solid first line of defense against intrusions. Advanced locking systems. Locks are one of the most critical components of door security. Replacement doors in Austin homes often come with upgraded locking mechanisms, including multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple locations along the frame. This added reinforcement makes it significantly harder to force the door open compared to older single-latch systems. Upgraded deadbolts and reinforced strike plates also contribute to enhanced protection. Improved frame and fit. A secure door depends not only on the panel itself but also on the frame and installation. Over time, door frames can shift or deteriorate, creating gaps that weaken security. Professional installation of replacement doors in Austin ensures that the frame is sturdy, aligned, and properly anchored. A tight fit eliminates vulnerabilities and improves overall structural strength. Reinforced hinges and hardware are often overlooked but play a vital role in security. Modern replacement doors in Austin feature heavy-duty hinges and corrosion-resistant hardware that maintain strength over years of daily use. Secure hinge placement and reinforced screws add another layer of protection against tampering. Enhanced visibility and lighting options. Security is not only about physical barriers, it's also about awareness. Replacement doors in Austin can include decorative glass options designed to maintain privacy while allowing natural light to enter. Some homeowners also choose features that improve visibility at the entryway, helping create a safer and more welcoming front door area. Eliminating gaps and weak points. Older doors may develop small gaps due to wear or settling. These gaps can make it easier for forced entry attempts and may prevent locks from engaging fully. Replacement doors are designed to close securely and maintain proper alignment, reducing potential weak points. Increasing peace of mind. Security upgrades provide more than just physical protection, they offer confidence. Austin homeowners who invest in replacement doors often feel more at ease knowing their entry points are reinforced with modern materials and hardware. Supporting overall home value. Security improvements are attractive to future buyers. In Austin neighborhoods, homes with updated entry doors signal responsible maintenance and thoughtful upgrades. Replacement doors enhance both protection and property appeal. A smart investment in safety. Your home should feel secure at all times. For homeowners in Austin, replacement doors provide stronger materials, improved locking systems, and better overall structural integrity. By upgrading outdated doors, you not only enhance security but also improve comfort and curb appeal. It's a practical investment that helps protect what matters most, your home and your peace of mind.